Are you looking for how to fix Facebook installed but not showing or Facebook app disappeared from home screen? In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook icon not showing on Android phone. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, just tap on uninstall. Okay, now install again Facebook app. Wait for completing the install process. Now you can see that Facebook app on your home screen. I hope that this method fix Facebook install but not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.